I wanted to do a quick little update and show you our summer Perfectly Posh catalog I washed up like this. Now this is a mermaid theme catalog and it is selling out like crazy. So I wanted to do this update showing you what's still available and what is sold out. So this first face mask right here, Resting Mermaid Face. It is so absolutely amazing, delicious, and good for your skin that it is currently sold out. So I hope you got your hands on one of these and your face will just love it and you will be so happy that you snatched one up because it is gone. This is a foaming face wash called That's So Cute and it's kind of minty, very refreshing. That is still available. This is another one of the mermaid themed snarky bars, which scrubs the bottom of your feet like you wouldn't believe. And this one is still available. So if you are interested in any of the mermaid themed posh, hurry to emeryposh.com and grab yourself an Oh My Shell snarky bar. It will be the next to sell out for sure. And this is another scrub that's really great for your feet and that's still available. One of our really fun pretty chunk bars made with sodium talate, palm oil, is still available. Now the Show Me What You're Mermaid of scrub sold out right away. It smells delicious. It's actually the same scent as the Oh My Shell. So if you received a sample of the Mermaid Scrub and you loved the scent, the Snarky Bar is the same scent. And the Mermaid Scrub is sold out. Buff Around the Edges is another scrub and it is currently available as I'm filming this, but by the time I get this video loaded, it might be gone. Drop the Beat! And my last video was on this body balm and it did sell out once and they made some more and I'm not sure how much is left of that. So if you love pineapple scented things, go grab one quickly. Fake It Till You Make It is an amazing product because it's a gradual tanner that's naturally based. A lot of gradual tanners are really yucky. So this is a really good one. It's still available. Beach Blanket has a huge history, you guys. This is one of our yummiest smelling hand creams we've ever had. And I know that for a fact because it's sold out about 4 times. It is currently gone, but it will be back in August. Then we have these 3 highlighters. And they are a liquid highlighter. You can add them to moisturizer or makeup or use them alone. And there's 3 pretty colors to choose from. They are still available. And then these are our Vial long-lasting lip colors. And there was 2 new colors in the Mermaid catalog and they are still available. And this amazing little guy down here, it's called All Set and it's a makeup setting spray. But it's just very super moisturizing. I was using it on my husband's sunburned skin and he loved it. It is currently sold out. I'm really sad about that one because that was a very unique, super cool product. So head on over to emeryposh.com, check out the Summer Extra 2018 catalog and see if there's anything that interests you. I'm telling you guys, the mermaid theme sold out so quickly. There is Oh My Shell left and the packaging is beautiful and make a perfect summer gift for someone. And that is that. And hey, Perfectly Posh is getting more and more popular every day. We're selling things out like crazy and this is actually a great thing if you are interested in joining and becoming a consultant and selling Posh with me. It is in high demand and you will have so much fun selling these products. So think about it and get in touch with me if you have any questions and you'd like to grab this awesome $99 kit that's worth over $200 worth. And the back of this talks about Perfectly Posh's You Deserve It foundation, which is really, really cool that the company gives back. It's a great, fun company to work for, and we have a seasonal catalog like this, switching every season. The summer one is about half sold out. So I'm really excited to see what they have for us in the fall. So stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the fun pampering. Have a great day. Bye.